If your furnace is doing this, it turns on and then it turns off after a couple seconds of couple minutes. I got the solution for you. Stay tuned. Okay, so when your furnace turns on and off, most of the time it's gonna be your flame sensor. I went ahead and I got another one. I have an extra one because this happened to me a couple of years ago, so I have an extra one right here. This is the one I have for this type of furnace. You could actually, if it's the flame sensor, you could just take it out and clean it, and it should give you some time until you buy a new one. So okay, let me show you guys how we do this. And sorry about my camera skills. What you got?
I need to get a 8mm socket. A little bit of spray. Actually, we need to take this one. This was pretty loose, so I was having trouble. Oh, this one is there. Of course, we need some lighter. There we go. That's better. Always good to have one of these Harbor Freight magnetic caps to put so you don't lose any screw. Okay, so let me take this out. I'm gonna hold
This out and down. Very careful. Okay, put it to the side. And there we go. So okay guys. The light. This the white one right there to the right. This right here. Over there. That's our flame sensor. We need to take that one out, and you should clean it or replace it. And replace it would be better, but if you a lot of times your stores near you don't have it, you could just take it out, clean it, and it should work for the next couple days until you get a new one. But always replace it, just don't clean it, just replace it. It's better. Okay, so I just need to take that screw out and just replace the flame sensor. I'm gonna show you guys, but first we're gonna turn everything off. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the power off.
okay. Over here. Come on. And pour AC, the furnace right here. So we turn that off. Sorry about the mess, guys. I'm trying to fix this basement up, so it's a mess. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take the screw out, and I'll show you because, let's see, that was, oh, perfect. So, the screwdriver, actually, no, too big. Let me see, what size circle? Let's try this one, right now. Nope. Okay, don't work. First, so we need a 7mm for the flame sensor screw. Okay, let me see. Okay, we have a problem here. Need to extend it because it doesn't. Okay. There we go. You just loosen it up a little bit, and you can just take it over here. Okay. Okay, put it right here.
You see right here, this is our flame sensor. So a lot of times it gets a little dirty, so all you have to do is just replace it. hold this out. You could just clean it and put it back, and it should be good. But I happen to have a new one here, so. And remember, when you clean it, go online and get you a new one. Here we go. We have a new one. We just put it back in. Don't have a lot of space here, so I have to. There we go. There we go. Now we're gonna go back. Turn this on. And okay, let's just check everything's good. Okay. I'll go upstairs and turn the heater on to see if it works, and I'll be right back. So my phone died when I went to turn on the thermometer, but it's been 8 hours since I fixed it, and as you guys can hear, it's working perfectly. So remember, before you try anything else, just change your flame sensor. That might just be the problem. Like that. Guys, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe so you can see the videos I upload. I will be doing some upgrades to my house and fixing my car, so if you guys interested in learning how to do it yourself and save some money, please make sure to subscribe and share the video.